Welcome to our channel again. This is Cloud Institution. So today in this video we are going to see another interesting topic, which is Terraform Target resources. Okay, so what is Terraform Target resources? Which means that if you wanted to create, if you wanted to target any resources to be create or the destroy or to check the plan for only for one specific resources, so we should be having some kind of a methodology that that is used hyphen targets, right? So let's see what it is, right? So what is targets in Terraform? So to target specify the resources in Terraform, so you can just use hyphen target option. Okay. So when running the Terraform plan, Terraform apply and Terraform destroy commands. Okay. So without the target option, okay, this command would take the entire configuration into account, okay, rather than the specific resources or top resources. So generally, if you know about Terraform basics, right? So whenever you do Terraform plan or Terraform apply or Terraform destroy, it's going to take the entire configuration of your system. Okay, so it's all the configurations of your system is going to take it, and then uh, it's going to perform the operation whatever you are specifying. Okay, but but we have option called hyphen target. Using that option, we can just target only the specific resources to be able to perform the specific operations. Okay, so let's see how this work in demo. Okay, so in the last video we have seen that so we have created some kind of a virtual machine. Okay, so and then also we have created a virtual network interface, and then we have created a subnets, and then virtual network again, like, so network interface, then virtual network, all these things we created under this resource group. Okay, so all these resources are interconnected together, right? So now what are we going to do is that first of all I want to do a Terraform plan. So the Terraform plan, because we already provision all these resources, so even that the virtual machine has already been created. Okay, so it's going to show me the Terraform plan, with nothing. Okay, so now, okay, it's taking more time than usual. Okay, yeah, there you go. So it's just coming over here. Now it's saying that there is no infrastructure changes because I've already deployed this Terraform virtual machine. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is that I wanted to destroy only this Terraform, virtual machines using Terraform, right? So now I wanted to do like uh, I want to do like to Terraform destroy. If I do Terraform destroy, so what's going to happen is that, okay, it's going to give all the all the possible resources to destroy the Terraform. Okay, so if you can see here, it's going to give a refresh. It's going to be a refreshing state, and then it's going to be giving an option to destroy everything. Okay, but what is my requirement? Okay, my requirement is that, like, I want to destroy only the virtual machine. Okay, so only this virtual machine is what the one which I wanted to destroy. So in this case, I'm going to exit it because that is not what I want, right? So what I want to do is I want to do destroy. I have to give another option called hyphen target is equal to, just type this Azure RM virtual machine, okay, and then dot target. Okay, so now what's going to be happening is that, as you can see here, so here it's showing all the things to be destroyed. Okay, you can see here it's going to be network interface is going to be destroyed. It's going to be, so the cloud and resource group is going to be destroyed. Everything is going to be destroyed. But for this option, what's going to be happening is that it's going to be, okay. So now, okay. So now what I did is that I just given a target. Okay, so Azure virtual machine with I have to give main. Okay, so this is what it is. So now if you can give target of Azure RM virtual machine dot main, so it's going to be refreshing state, and then it's going to give me an option to destroy only one thing to destroy. Okay, but if you see previously, it has 5 to destroy. Okay, so now in this case, is going to be destroying only one. Okay, I won't destroy this only one resource. All right, so now as you can see here, it's just giving me like only one resource to destroy, right? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give yes is the value over here and enter. So now you see here, like under this resource group, there should be the virtual machine, which is Cloud Institution VM virtual machine. Okay, and instead of deleting all the resources, whatever we have created, I'm just going to delete only one resource. Okay, so the option which is given to me is that -target. Okay, -target. So this particular command is very, very useful in Terraform world. Okay, so whenever you're just seeing that some of the resources or you don't want it to provision or something like that, so you can just give -target so that resources will be only the specific resources will be destroyed. So now you can see, so this particular resources is getting destroyed. Okay, now let's go back to the console. Then I'm going to refresh it now. Okay, you see this particular resources got destroyed now. All right, so now let's do one more thing again. Okay, if you want to destroy this network interface also. Okay, so now if you can do Terraform apply, I mean like Terraform apply is going to be showing that this is going to be creating. Okay, now I want to destroy this network interface also. Okay, if you want to destroy the network interface, now I do terraform destroy -target equal network interface, and the name of the network interface would be example. Okay, so that's going to be deleting this nick. Okay, cloud institution nick, that's going to delete it. Okay, now let's try this one as well. Okay, so now it's going to destroy only this interface. Okay, so now if you can give yes, so it's gonna destroy this particular operation. Okay, it's going to destroy this only particular this thing, and it will be destroying the nick, which is network interface. Okay, now you see it's got removed. Okay, similarly, not only destroy, right? If you want to apply, okay, for example, if you do Terraform plan now, okay, it will show me that there are two resources going to be creating because we have destroyed these two resources. Okay, but all the rest of the resources is been available. Okay, so now if you can see here, it's going to create a couple of resources. So one is network interface, another one is virtual machine, right? Because we have destroyed two resources, now the code is already been available. So that's the reason why it is showing that. Okay, so these two resources will be installed. But now I'm just thinking that I want to deploy only one resource at this moment. Okay, so now if you want to install only, I mean, if you want to permission only one resource, which is network interface dot example. Okay, in this case, what I have to do? I have to do Terraform apply target is equal to this one and give enter. Okay, so now whenever you do Terraform apply, so with the target, so only the specific resource will be created. Now you see it's showing only the one resources will be created. Okay, you can give yes. Okay, so network interface example is creating. Okay, let's go back and see there is no network interface available. Network interface is not there. Go refresh. See, network interface is being created. Okay, similarly you can also do the same thing for your the instance as well, the virtual network as well. Okay, so this is how you'll be targeting the specific resources to provision or to see the plans or to destroy from the Terraform. Okay, hope you understood this concept. Okay, hope you so got some kind of information about targets. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. So if you didn't subscribe this channel yet, okay, please go and subscribe it. We're going to upload a lot of videos in the future like this. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.